This year's coverage of Mine Disrupt 2023 is brought to you by our sponsors. Without them, this coverage wouldn't have been possible, and we couldn't thank them enough. Support this channel by supporting our sponsors. And let's get into the coverage. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Vega here for SerpentX Tech. We're over here at the Alpha Miner booth now. We've seen these power supplies because we know Carter, Bits Be Trippin', has utilized them before on their setups. There are some of the fans, the brushless designs. DC, looks like we got 2.7 amps, 2.1 amps, and this is the big boy, 3.6 amps. If you need to get a hold of anybody at Alpha Miner, there is your card and information. Pause that, get what you need. Looks like we got some right angle RJ45s, yep, cat cables. We got some C19, C20 splitters. Wow, man, this is a nice power supply. Very nice power supply. And yeah, looks like they're hanging out at Mine Disrupt. Got some good stuff. Are these just display units, I'm guessing? Okay. This is a 7,000 watt? It's hydro, okay, so three-phase, 7,000 watts, and it's hydro-cooled. This is, what does that say, 2,400 watts? That's a 2,400 watt power supply. Yep. This one, 5,600 watts?
And those ones are made specifically for immersion.
Yeah,
And this
okay.
is the same 56 button.
Okay.
Full made for air, right.
So 5,600 watts, but air cooled, immersion cooled. Obviously, there's no little fans here. It's all, I just like the design. You know what I would like? If you guys make it an all black one. I don't know why. I just think that would look cool. All black case. That would look really sick. And then, what are these? Those aren't the fans that go in here?
Yeah, just some tiny fans.
Okay.
They're extra replacements. That's really nice.
Well, I know a couple people that are running these right now in their setup or their farms.
This is your home base right here.
So, good stuff. All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, guys. That's it for Alpha Miner at Mine Disrupt 2023.